Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, and here's what you're going to do today. So in math, you are going to use the slides and videos to take notes on surface area, and then you are going to do the practice assignment in class kick. And make sure you raise your hand to turn it in. And for your feedback, you're going to do the exit slip in Google Classroom for Miss Rowerding today. In social studies, there's going to be Canada history slides, and then there will be a Canada history discussion challenge, so you will complete that discussion within Canvas. In Encore classes, check for Google Classroom for that information. In language arts, you're going to do figurative language poetry techniques. So you'll read one poem and answer poetry question discussions and create poetry techniques. And make sure to submit your Canvas poetry discussion response by the end of today. You are going to want to watch Ms. V's daily video as well. And then in R2S, you're going to read for 30 minutes and make sure to document in your reading log. I hope you have a great day.